Hello children, welcome to today's maths class. Children, today we will learn number counting 1 to 10 and I am going to introduce you numbers from 11 to 20 in today's class. Children, today I will teach you to write number 5 in your notebook as well as in your maths activity book. And we will do a very fun activity in our maths activity book which is mentioned on page number 8 and 9. So let's start our today's maths class. Children, I have taught you number counting 1 to 10 many times. So let's revise it one more time. Okay, so let's start it and you have to speak after me. So let's start. Now children, you speak with me. 1. After 1 comes 2, 3, 4, 5. This is number 6. After 6 comes 7. 8, 9 and here comes 10. 1, 0, 10. Children, you all know numbers from 1 to 10. Today, I am going to introduce you numbers from 11 to 20. 10 के आगे कौन सा नंबर आता है, 10 के बाद कौन सा नंबर आता है, this I am going to teach you. Understood children? So children, after 10 comes 11. You also speak with me. 1, 1, 11 like this. Then after 11 comes 12. 1, 2, 12. Then 1, 3, 13. After 12 comes 13. After 13 comes 1, 4, 14. After 14, the next number is 1, 5, 15. After 15 comes 16. 1, 6, 16. After 16, 17. 1, 7, 17. After 17 comes 18. 1, 8, 18. Next number is 1, 9, 19. 19 comes after 18. And after 19 comes 20. 2, 0. 20. Understood children? This is 20. Let's say number counting 1 to 20 one more time together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Here comes 10. 1, 0, 10. After 10 children comes 11. 1, 1, 11. 1, 2, 12. 1, 3, 13. You also speak with me. 1, 4, 14. 1, 5, 15. 1, 6, 16. 1, 7, 17, 1, 8, 18, 1, 9, 19 and 2, 0, 20. I taught you a rhyme also based on numbers 1 to 10. So let's recite it. 1, 2, buckle my shoe. 3, 4, shut the door. 5, 6, pick up the sticks. 7, 8, lay them straight. 9 and 10, a big fat hen, a big fat hen. In this way children, you will learn number counting 1 to 10. It is very interesting also and you will learn a new rhyme. And then after 10 children, you have to learn numbers from 1 to 20 the way I taught you. Okay children, make your video on it and send it to me on numbers 1 to 20 counting. Okay children? Children, today I will teach you to write number 5 in your maths notebook. This is today's date. Today is 12th May 2021. What 5 means? Children, let's count these stars. And we always start counting with number 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So how many stars are there? There are 5 stars, so 5 means this. Now children, first I will write on the board which you have to watch carefully how I am writing 5. Okay? Look here children, these are the blocks of your notebook. So you have to put your pencil here. So put dot in your right side. From here you have to make a sleeping line. A small sleeping line till your left side. Okay? And then from here you have to make a small standing line, then a semicircle. Ulta C like this. And you have to touch the bottom blue line. Okay, in this way you have to write number 5. a sleeping line, standing line and a semicircle like this. Sleeping line, standing line and a semicircle. Sleeping line, standing line and a semicircle. In this way you have to write number 5. Like this. First you have to make a sleeping line, then a small standing line, then you have to make a semicircle like this. With a firm hand you have to write. After writing in one block, you will leave the next block. Like this, children, you have to write number 5. Now I will show you how you will write in your notebook. Children, now it's time to write number 5 in the notebook. Children, what does 5 means? See, I have made some stars. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 means this. So you have to write number 5 in your maths notebook. First you have to write today's date. Today is 12th May 2021 like this. Now children, put your pencil on the block and you will not start from above. You have to leave some gap. From here you have to make a sleeping line, then a standing line and a semicircle like this. Sleeping line, standing line, semicircle. Sleeping line, standing line and a semicircle like this. Sleeping line, standing line, semicircle. And you have to write on the bottom blue line. Like this. Sleeping line, standing line and a semicircle like this. After writing in one line, leave the next line and then start from the line next to it. Like this. Sleeping line, standing line and a semicircle. Sleeping line, standing line, semicircle. Don't bring it out from the square. Like this. So you have to make a sleeping line on your left side. Then a standing line and a semicircle. Like this. So children, in this way you have to write number 5 in your maths notebook. First you have to make a sleeping line on your left hand side. Then a small standing line and a semicircle like this. Like this, children. In this way you have to finish one page of 5 in your maths notebook. Children, now bring your maths activity for generations book. And now open page number 7 and write today's date. Today is 12th May 2021 like this, children. So what you have to do, children, you have to trace and write number 5. 5 means what? Let's count these lions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there are 5 lines. 5 means this. So you have to trace and write. Put your pencil on the pink dot, children, and then you have to make a sleeping line, a standing line and a semicircle like this, the way I taught you, isn't it? In this way you have to trace and write number 5. Like this. In this way you have to finish the first line. And then in the second line again you have to write number 5. You have to trace and write. You have to finish the second line till here. And then from here you have to write on your own. And how you will write? First you have to make a sleeping line, a standing line, then a semicircle. And you have to touch this bottom red line. Understand? Again in this line, you have to trace and write. Like this, finish till here, and from here you have to write on your own. आपको अपने आप लिखना है. Sleeping line बनानी है लेफ्ट हैंड साइड की तरफ, then a standing line, then a semicircle. One go में लिखना है. In the same way, you have to write in these blocks also. So children, first trace and write. इसके ऊपर ट्रेस करके आपको 5 लिखना आ जाएगा. Then you can write on your own, and you have to finish it till here. So finish this page. Take its picture and send it to me. Now turn the page. Come to page number 8 and write today's date. We are going to do an activity. Write today's date. Today is 12th May 2021. Like this. Now it's activity time. Children, what you have to do? You have to trace 0. Look here, in this flower there is 0, which you have to trace, and then you have to number the 5 petals of the flower. Write the number in the petals. Then you have to write numbers 1 to 5. In these petals, you have to number the petal. Okay. Now let's start. First, we will trace this 0. Slowly, slowly. Then you have to trace the 5 petals of these flowers like this. And if you want, you can color it also like this. Slowly, slowly. 1. This is number 2. This is second petal. And this is petal number 3, which we are tracing. So children, this is number 3 petal. After 3 comes 4. So slowly, slowly you have to trace the petals of this flower, and this is number 5. Okay, now we will write numbers. 1, this is number 2, 3, like this, number 4, and number 5. In this way, you have to finish this activity. Now children, come to page number 9 and write today's date. Today is 12th May. We will finish this activity also, 12th May 2021. Now what you have to do children in this activity time? You have to connect the number of dots on each die with the number given in the middle. Children, look here, this is number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have to connect number 1 to this die. Okay? So like this, with this die is like this. 1. And where is 1 on the other side? It's here. Like this. Now comes 2. Find the number 2. 1, 2. 2 is here. Now on the other side, 2 is here. Now comes number 3. 1, 2, 3. So, in this way we will match it. And in this way we will connect it. Now children, this is number 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 is here. So, and again 4 is here. Like this. Now the last number 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So connect number 5 this side, and 5 is here on this side. In this way you have to finish this activity children. I hope you will enjoy it. Finish this activity, take its picture and send it to me.